Hello friends, 11th standard, unit 11, waves lesson. We are going to see 10th detail. It is in page number 259, 11.8.5. Laws of the transverse vibration in stretched string. There are three laws of transverse vibration of stretched strings which are given as follows. The law of length. Okay, first, you should get to know how to write the theory by getting to know only the formula or only the derivation. Now I'll teach you. F is directly proportional to 1 by L. F is frequency which is inversely proportional to the length. And now we can also say that we are taking as a proportionality constant C. So now here we can write as for a given wire with tension T and mass per unit length mu, the frequency varies inversely proportional with the vibrating length. It's nothing but the tension and mass per unit length is the linear mass density. They are saying that in a given wire there is tension and there is linear mass density. Both are fixed. Then how the frequency varies? It is varying inversely with the vibrating length. And now let us move to the second law, the law of tension. Now, for a given vibrating length L, which is fixed, and mass per unit length, which is our linear mass density, which is also fixed, the frequency varies directly with the square root of the tension, which is nothing but F is directly proportional to the square root of T. F is equal to A root T, where A is a constant. By seeing the formula, or the derivation, you can easily write the wordings. Nothing but unless you know that L is length, mu is mass per unit length, and F is frequency. Easy. And here the next one, the law of mass. Now let's see the formula first. F is inversely proportional to 1 by root of mu. Here, for given vibrating length, it is fixed and tension is also fixed. The frequency varies inversely with the square root of the mass per unit length mu. Mass per unit length is nothing but linear mass density. And here F is equal to B by root mu, where B is the constant. That's all. Thank you.